How to use Ggives in Shopee. I'm going to tell you how to use Ggives in Shopee. As of April 30, 2023, Shopee no longer accepts Ggives and Gcredit as payment options. However, you can still use Gcash to pay for your Shopee orders. To pay with Gcash, just proceed to checkout and select Payment Center/e-wallet as your payment method. Then choose Gcash and complete the payment process. Please note that using Gcash for Shopee payments may be subject to a 2% handling fee and a minimum checkout of 50 pesos. If you're looking to use Ggives for installment payments, consider using it with other Gcash partner merchants that still accept this payment option. Always ensure to check the latest payment options available on Shopee and Gcash platforms.